The tax increases in this health care law will take at least $675 billion out of our pockets over the next 10 years. All this at a time when employers are just trying to get by.
Let's take away the reality of this new health care law that has done this. It is now clear that 20 million Americans are likely to lose their employer-based health coverage. The law will cost $2.6 trillion if fully implemented and add over $700 billion to the deficit. It has $500 billion in new taxes that are triggered towards the middle class.
The question, why are we here to vote to repeal the president's health care program? Let me offer a few reasons. Number one, the American people don't want it. The longer people have to know this bill, the more intense they are in wanting to see it repealed.
A program that is already financially strapped Medicare. Obamacare takes $500 billion out of Medicare. In other words, my grandfather's health may be in the hands of a 15-member autonomous board who will decide what happens to his health. That's wrong.
Control of healthcare and healthcare decisions belong in the hands of patients and families and their doctors. Obamacare was a big government takeover of one of the most personal aspects in our lives.
As a physician, one of the tenets of medicine is first, do no harm. Sadly, the president's law does real harm.
You know what's more importantly? It's filled with broken promises. We all remember President Obama's first promise. If you like the health care you have today, you can keep it. Well, that's not true. 80% of those in small employer plans risk even keeping what they have today. President Obama did promise, as I sat right here and listened to him, he would not add one dime to the deficit. Well, you know what? That's not true either.
Taking away choice, driving up costs, and making health care dramatically more expensive is not the prescription that Americans ask for. The House rejects Obamacare, and that we are committed to taking this flawed law off the books. This is a law, Madam Speaker, that the American people did not want when it was passed, and it remains a law that the American people do not want now.